guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy palette. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching.
All right, guys, so here's the Amrezy palette. I'm just showing you the box, what it comes in. And then I'm gonna show you the actual palette itself. It's so pretty. I love the color, and the colors and pigments, they are amazing. So now I took OG, and that's what I put on my lid just to get it one color. I did notice that the fallout, and I'm sure you saw it kind of go in the air, look like dust, but it's typical. In the crease, I'm putting New Yorker, and I may have that mixed up, but I believe that's New Yorker, and I'm putting in the crease, and I couldn't get my hair to agree with me right there. I love the combo of those colors. I think they look really good. This palette is friendly. I feel like it's friendly to like all skin tones. Here I am showing my little Amrezy mirror. And that darn hair again. Okay. So I just went back and forth putting the the New Yorker and the OG because I wasn't feeling the payoff. All right, so in my outer V, oh my gosh, I'm so mad I forgot that color. But anyway, I used that color. That's bad. 1988? No, 1988. Yes, 1988. Okay, sorry. And yeah, so I'm just kind of doing, I don't know, I like that paint, like smudge paint kind of way I got it. Instead of making it look like a V, you kind of just bring it up as a V. And I mean, I like that, what I've been using. All right, so I put Liddy on my mobile lid, and then I realized, I was like, wait, I always do this kind of look. And I'm like, okay, I'm definitely gonna have to do another look with this video with this palette, just because I always do a color like this, and I don't want a coppery color. I even thought about changing the look because I just wasn't really feeling it. But then I said, oh wait, let me just do this, and then I'll just do another video with the palette. So stay tuned for that. It's probably gonna go up the same like tonight. But anyway, yes. So I was making sure I was comfortable with the payoff here, and everything was even. And then I said, okay, well, let me just do some inner corner action. So I took Liddy and I put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna do that on both sides. And I'm gonna put some mascara because I was like, I realized my under my eye needed some pop. And then I thought to myself, you're gonna see, I forget mascara. So the whole night I didn't have mascara on. I was like, oh, okay, go ahead, girl. I mean, I know I have lashes, but I wanted some lashes. I wanted some definition to my lashes. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, here I had a little bit of fallout from the Liddy, so it was color pigment or whatever that is. So I was dusting it off. And then here I'm still trying to see, okay, do I like it? Let's look again. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's add some more something. Let's do a combo of let's get some more outer V action. But then I'm gonna say, no, I want some more Liddy too, so let me put that on. I don't know, I was just confused, clearly. But I got it together to the point that I liked it. Got some compliments, so I know I did all right. So I was like, okay, that's gonna be the look. We're just gonna keep it moving. And then that's it.
All right, guys. So now that you've seen me create this look, I want to go ahead and do the swatches, or I'm not sure how I want to place it yet. So it's either I did the swatches already or I did the makeup look already. I don't remember, but I mean, I don't know because, you know, haven't edited it yet. Nonetheless, here's the palette once again. Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love the color because it's very sparkly and it's pink. Well, a fuchsia pink. Yeah, so classic Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna remove the plastic. Have the colors, and then yeah, the mirror, and the brush that I always say, I don't think anybody uses. All right, so if you want to see the swatches on my skin tone, here they are. So the first color that I'm going to pick up is Wasted. Wasted is this very light pink color. So I'm just gonna put it right here on my hand. And that's Wasted. It looks pearlescent when it's in the pan, but when I swatch it, it's not kind of coming up pearlescent nonetheless. Or is it opalescent? I don't know. Okay, so that's that. The next color is Barb. I guess like Barbie, because that's what it reminds me of. Yeah, it came out goldish. Maybe that's just the way the light is picking it up. Okay, hold on now. Huh. That's Barb. Oh, okay. So it has reflex of gold in it, but it's like a pink color. The next color is Liddy. It's this color right here. Liddy is the color that I do have on my lid. So let's swatch that, just like that. And that is Liddy. I realize I need a tissue, so excuse me for a minute. The next color that I'm going to pick up will be Cupcake. Cupcake is this purpley color right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Cupcake. The next color is Dragon. Dragon is a very goldy color. That's pretty too. That is Dragon. Next color is Leo. Leo looks like a pretty aqua, almost cobalt kind of color. Wow, that's beautiful. So that's Leo. Next color is Gemini. Guess we're going through the signs. Gemini is a gold color as well. I'm pretty sure that if you add some water to it, this will look really good, but it's still pretty nonetheless. All right, so the next color, I'll turn it around. Gorgina. That's what I'm gonna say that's called. It's almost a copper-ish color. Swatch that right here. So I'm sure that if against the light, it wouldn't look look like that. Okay. All right. So now I'm on the bottom of the palette. I think I'm gonna try to see how I can put my hand, but oh, I could do this hand. Haha. All right. So the bottom, the first one is Amrezy. That's this hot fuchsia color right here. Amrezy, very pretty. Next one is Anastasia. That's that color right there. Next one is New Yorker. New Yorker is the color that I did put on my mobile lid to kind of give it one color. So that's New York. Or it says New Yorker, like New York. Like, you know what I'm talking about? New York. I'm from New York, like that. Next one is OG. OG is what I put on my not outer V. That's what I put on my crease. Next one is called Simsa. That's pretty. All right, 1988 is the next color. 1988 is what I put on my outer V. Very nice. Then we have BK. BK is the black color on the palette. And lastly, You Go. You Go reminds me of a color by MAC. I'm trying to think of what it is though. But yeah, reminds me of Embark. So those are the colors right there. So the top part to me seems like it's kind of the shinies, the glitters, the pigments, and the bottom are our mattes, minus these two right here. Okay, so this is how they look on my skin. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. You made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm still on the fence on if I'm gonna keep the red lip or if I'm gonna change it up. This is my look for my birthday. Today is my birthday. This video is probably not gonna go up until tomorrow, but nonetheless, Saturday the 25th, that's my birthday. So I'm supposed to go and have dinner, and this is the look that I created for it. Again, I'm on the fence about the red lip. I'll see how I feel a little bit later on, and I might, if not, I'm probably gonna put just my normal gloss look. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. As per usual, shout out to my babies, Charlotte, Mary, Martha, and my little prince. I love you all. I love everyone. Shout out to all my subscribers, new and old. Love you guys. Thank you for continually watching. Bye, guys.